means the rate of doing work. P is equal to W by T, work done by time. Then electric power means the amount of electric energy consumed in a circuit per unit time. Amount of electric is defined as the amount of electric energy consumed in a circuit per unit time. Electric energy consumed in a circuit, that means P is equal to W by T, or one more equation, E by T. P equal to work done by time is equal to energy by time. Then we can make the different equations. Okay. Then first one, we know that voltage, volt, V equal to W by Q, work done by charge. Then W is equal to V into Q. Then we know that current I is equal to Q by T. Then Q is equal to IT. V equal to W by Q. From this equation, W is equal to V into Q. Then again we have the aim is to calculate this Q. Then current I is equal to charge by time. Then Q is equal to I into T. Instead of this Q, we can substitute. Then V into I into T. W is equal to VIT. Then here we can substitute power P is equal to VIT divided by T. Then power P equal to VI. This is our second equation. First equation W by T. Second equation P is equal to VI. V means voltage, I means current. Then what is the SI unit of power? We know that SI unit of power is, that is watt. Here 1 volt into 1 ampere, that is 1 volt. 1 volt into 1 ampere, that is 1 volt. SI unit of power, VI. Next is, we know that from Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. V equal to IR. Then instead of this V, we can substitute. Then P equal to IR into I. Then we get I square R. This is our third equation. P is equal to I square R. First equation, P is equal to W by T. Second equation, P is equal to VI. Third equation, P equal to I square R. Then one more equation we can make. P equal to VI. First we are substituted. V is equal to IR. Then I square R we got. Third equation. Then fourth equation we have to substitute. Instead of I, V into I. I means by using Ohm's law, V by R. Then we can substitute V divided by R. Then we get V square divided by R. P equal to V square by R. This is our fourth equation. P is equal to V square by R. First equation, power is equal to work done by time or energy by time. Okay, from this we can make energy is equal to E is equal to power into time. Power into time. Then P is equal to VI. That's the second equation. P is equal to I square R. That's the third equation. Fourth is P is equal to V square by R. Numerical. For numerical, this equation is very important. According to V, I is given, then we have to use this. I and resistance is given, we have to use this. V and R is given, you have to use this. Okay. Then I told SI unit of power is volt. Then energy is equal to power into time. Energy is equal to P into T. What is the commercial unit of energy? that is kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of energy. Short form we can use kWh. Kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of energy. What is the practical unit of energy? Practical unit of energy is horsepower. Horsepower is the practical unit of energy. Bracket, some of the textbook they used H.P, horsepower. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Then power, different unit we can use, bigger unit we can use. One is, first normal case we are using watt. Next one is kilowatt. Kilo means 10 raised to 3. Next one is, that is of megawatt. 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 6 watt. 10 raised to 6 watt. Gigawatt, 10 raised to 9 watt. These are the bigger unit of power. First is kilowatt, 10 raised to 3. Megawatt, 10 raised to 6. Gigawatt, 10 raised to 9 watt. Then what is the relation between kilowatt hour and joule? What is the relation between kilowatt hour and joule? Then 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt hour. Then 1000 into 1 watt means 1 joule per 1 second. 1 joule per 1 second. Hours is equal to, what you have to write? 60 into 60 into 60 seconds. Then this second cancel. Then 60 into 60, 60 into 60, 36, again 2 0, here 3 0. Then we can write 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt hour. Then 1000 into watt means 1 joule per 1 second. Why we are using this 1 joule per watt? Power is equal to work done by time. Work done means unit joule. 1 joule per 1 second. Time 1 second. Into hours means 60 into 60 seconds. Second cancel. Then we will get this answer. Then we can write like this: 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. These are the relation between kilowatt hour and joule. Thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss on the topic magnetic field.